Hi everyone, miss me? For those of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you are returning, thank you so much for watching. We're going to be talking about Ttdeye contact lenses and the contacts that they sent me in PR. I showed you guys one pair, but I wanted to finish showing you the rest of them in this haul video. So let's get right into it. So as I mentioned, they sent me 4 pairs of contact lenses. I did show you guys one pair. I'll also include clips of that video and how they look in here. And I'm going to do pretty much the same thing as I did with the COLORCL contact lenses. I'm going to show you the rest of them in this haul. And of course, if you want to know any other further details about any of the contact lenses, then just make sure you leave me a comment down below and I'll definitely do a video for you guys. So let's get into the specs real quick. I'm gonna pop them up on the screen right here so you guys can see. And here is what their website looks like in case you haven't checked it out. I will put links in the description box down below, so make sure you check it out. And they were sweet enough to give me a discount code so you guys can get some money off. I'm going to put it up on the screen right here, as well as in the description box down below, so make sure you check that out. And now let us get into all of the colors. So enjoy. Okay, so what did you guys think? Which ones were your favorite colors, or which one was your favorite color? I have to say I was very surprised by a few of them and how they turned up on my eyes. I will tell you guys in another video. And of course, if you want to know more about Ttdeye, don't forget to check out their website. I will put all the links in the description box down below. Don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite colors are, which videos I should do next, and what color you want to see me go in depth on that you guys saw earlier. Let me tell you a little bit about the colors that I thought were really cool while I give you up close shots. So for the iris gray, which is the pair that I'm wearing now, I was super surprised because they don't look gray. They look a little bit more on the brown side, so I'm not sure why they're called iris gray. They should be called iris brown, but who knows, they probably do have an iris brown too, so I gotta check their website out and possibly order those lenses. I did like the donut blue. I think those look really pretty. That's one of their new collections, especially in room lighting or with this ring light here. If you want to see how they look in natural sunlight and room lighting and everything else, then just make sure you leave me a comment down below and I will definitely have no problem doing those videos for you guys. You guys know how much I love to read your comments and love to find out what you guys think about these lenses, if you have these lenses, if you're interested in them. So make sure you drop me a comment down below. So that is it for this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much if you do use my discount codes in advance. It helps me to continue to purchase contact lenses for you all or other items for our channel to make our channel better. And since we are growing, I'm super thankful. So thank you so much again in advance. Don't forget to follow me on my socials. I usually put them throughout my video and in the description box down below. And again, if you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, of course, keep up with all the beauty community news, and live a fun and healthy lifestyle, consider hitting that red subscribe button and clicking the bell notification. I will check you all out in the next video. Bye!
Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Keep your secrets there, hide them everywhere. Just you and I.
Don't forget to check out one of my videos over here or my playlist down here. And let me know what you think and what are your favorite contact lenses.